Factors affecting photosynthesis. There are both internal as well as external factors responsible or for controlling the process of photosynthesis. Internal factors are the shape, size and number of leaves, their venation, the presence of mesophyll cells, etc. Whereas external factors are the factors such as light, carbon dioxide concentration, temperature and water. Whenever a process is being controlled by number of factors, Blackman's law of limiting factors, which he gave in 1905, comes in the picture. According to this process, the process is directly related to the factor whose concentration when changed or whose quantity when changed will directly influence the process. Light. Light is nothing but three factors are responsible when we talk of light: light's intensity, the duration of light and light quality. The relationship between light and photosynthesis is a linear relationship. Incident light is directly proportional to carbon dioxide fixed, and increase of light intensity as well as duration causes the breakdown of chlorophyll and hence reduces or causes a reduction in the process of photosynthesis. CO2 concentration. CO2 concentration usually it is 0.03 to 0.04% in atmosphere. If it is raised to 0.05%, the photosynthesis increases, but if it is increased beyond this limit, the photosynthesis process is decreased and it is damaging to plants. This is a major factor which controls the process of photosynthesis. Temperature. C4 plants, they show increased rate of photosynthesis when temperature increases, whereas in case of C3 plants, lower temperature optimum is present and hence they do not show that increase in photosynthesis. As well, the temperature affects the rate of photosynthesis depending upon the various habitats of the plants. Water. Water do not directly affect the process of photosynthesis. It affects the plants first and thus in turn the process of photosynthesis is affected. Water when gets into the leaves, the stomata gets closed, hence it limits the availability of CO2, decreases the availability of CO2 and surface area. As leaves become wilt, water entered, leaves get swollen up and hence the surface area of leaves also decreases.